Hello! Today on It Is a Keeper, we're going to get saucy. I'm going to share my most popular sauce recipes. There are a few recipes on It Is a Keeper that get downloaded, pinned, and printed over and over again. And two of those recipes are my boom boom sauce recipe and my burger sauce recipe. With hundreds of thousands of views, I thought it was high time I showed you how to make these recipes. Plus, I'm going to show you how to make two other incredible sauces, a classic fry sauce and a Copycat Chick-Fil-A sauce. My son is obsessed with Chick-Fil-A, so this one is a shout out to him. Let's get started. So the first sauce recipe you need in your sauce repertoire is a classic fry sauce. And this is perfect for fries, you guessed it. So it starts with mayonnaise. Now, use real mayonnaise and not the salad dressing type. All these recipes use real mayonnaise. To that, we're going to add ketchup and a little red wine vinegar, some Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of sugar for some sweetness, a little bit of salt, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and some dried mustard. Now once you have everything in the bowl, we're just going to take a little whisk and get it all combined. And that's it, a classic fry sauce that's perfect on all kinds of French fries. Okay, so the second sauce we're making here is a Copycat Chick-Fil-A sauce. Now this is so good. Let me show you how it starts. Mayonnaise. This is going to be the base for most of our sauces. Honey. Some yellow mustard, some Dijon mustard, some of your favorite prepared barbecue sauce, and just a little squeeze of lemon juice. That's it. Now we just mix it up, and you can see it turning into that beautiful orange colored Chick-fil-A sauce. I'm getting the Mom of the Year award for making this one today. So there you have it, a quick and easy Copycat Chick-fil-A sauce that you can enjoy 7 days of the week, even on Sundays. The third sauce on our list today is my burger sauce. This one, like I said, is downloaded thousands of times. This is great on, obviously, burgers, but anything else. It goes great with fries, it goes great on potatoes. My son even puts it on steak sometimes. It's just a great, great sauce with a lot of flavor in it. So, first up is, you guessed it, mayonnaise. To the mayonnaise, we're adding something a little unconventional. I have some spicy pickle juice that's going in there. It's going to give it a nice little zip and that nice vinegary tang. I also have ketchup, just a little bit. Some yellow mustard. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Just a little bit of paprika. And that's it. So you see it's got all the flavors that you would typically put on a burger mixed up into this luscious sauce. I highly recommend you slather a nice thick coat on both sides of the burger bun, on the top and the bottom, so that burger is just encased in this sauce. It's that good. Okay, so the last sauce we're making today is by far the most popular recipe on It Is a Keeper, and it's this Copycat Boom Boom sauce recipe. This sauce is incredible. There is so much flavor packed into this. Use it on everything. Sometimes I just want to eat it with a spoon, let's be honest. So, like our other sauces, mayonnaise is first. Then we're going to add a little bit of ketchup. Here's where we really start adding some flavor. I have Thai sweet chili sauce. I'm gonna put some of that in there. Garlic powder. I told you this was loaded with flavor. And last but not least, a little squirt of sriracha. Now, you can make it as hot or as mild as you'd like. And if you don't want it spicy at all, you can leave out the sriracha because you will get a little bit of spice from the sweet chili sauce. Not too much. That gives you more flavor than spice, but the sriracha is where the spice really comes from. Stir that all up. And that's it. This sauce, I'm telling you, you will fall in love with it. You can use these sauces the same day you make them, or you can put them in containers with an airtight lid and keep them in the fridge until you're ready to use them. Probably about 2 to 3 days, but they won't last that long, trust me. So there you have it, 4 easy sauces that you can use for just about anything you can imagine. And trust me, you will thank me later for this. You guys, this Boom Boom sauce, oh my gosh, it's incredible. Thanks for watching. You can get the full instructions in the video descriptions below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find more quick and easy recipes and my best quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye.